Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Get ready for summer or for any outdoor or indoor event with these beautiful dishes from TP Store. These are a beautiful melamine material and it comes with a generous set of 6 plates, 6 bowls, and 6 salad plates. All of the bowls and dishes are a generous size as well, so you can have a full meal or dessert or whatever you would like with this great set. This is made out of that sturdy melamine material, which is safe to put hot foods on or to use it in the dishwasher on the top rack. You do want to take note that you don't want to microwave this, but it's going to come in really handy when I'm having my summer parties or when I'm having company over. I really like that they're super easy to wash and I love their generous size. They also all feel super sturdy and well made. They're not thin at all and they just are really beautiful in this teal color. This is a great set that would be awesome if I'm having a little luncheon with some friends or if we're enjoying some really nice time outside during the warm weather. I can't wait to use these dishes even more, and I'm so happy that they're made out of such great quality materials and they're really pretty as well. But that's just my point of view.